Oh, thanks, bro, for doing that.
No boulders in the road, bro.
I know. That's actually true.
Oh, these ones are in here.
Oh my god. That's, yeah. That's pretty bad. Yeah, you can easily. There's a lot of riders going really fast here too.
A little better, huh?
Yeah.
And there's some big boulders in the road around here.
Yeah, you can easily.
Car even.
Seriously.
You ride safe, bro.
Oh, thanks. Oh, yeah, you too. You take care. What is up, Zee Moto fam? I hope you guys are doing well and having a wonderful day. So today, here we are in this beautiful canyon. I've never been to this canyon, so I'm starting my vlog here. I pulled over to kind of catch some air, and I've been riding in this canyon. This is specifically, this canyon is known as a Sousa Canyon, and there's a lot of riders today. There's a lot of people are riding. This is, I would say, like kind of like on an advanced level, because I'm just going in my own pace, and I'm not gonna lie, this canyon is amazing. I'll try to speak with you guys in as much as I can, and I'll also vlog for you guys. But hopefully you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, and I just want to give a huge shout out to all the new subscribers. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. This is gonna be one of those vlogs where I'm not gonna be talking as much, because I'm really liking the view. It's really nice, and plus I want to become really comfortable with this canyon. I've seen a lot of videos where there's crashes. People are ruthless here. I mean, each on their own, but I've seen a lot of videos where people are not careful and they run into people, bicycles, or cars. Me personally, I'm trying to learn, and I'm trying to become very comfortable with this road. That was a nice Kawasaki. So my intake is a little bit different than an average rider. But yeah, so I'm trying to, like, you know, downshift and upshift. Something that I try to learn, what I learned when I was taking my motorcycle class. Paying attention in the corners, you know, just enjoying the ride. It is such a beautiful day being in winter in California, especially in January. It's like 80+ degrees. We are truly blessed to live in California and able to ride motorcycles. I'm not gonna lie. This canyon is really beautiful. It's amazing. There are some nice cars as well. Those of you who are new to my channel, I welcome all of you. Keep watching my content. It's going to get improved eventually, and I'm gonna add some other stuff. There are some stuff that I'm planning for 2021. That's, you guys are in for a surprise, so that's coming next. But for now, you know, I try my best to get out here, do my vlogs, talk about different things, talk about bikes. Oh wow, extreme fire danger. Talk about bikes and just, you know, share my passion. I know this biker has been just following me, so I want him to go says I'm a biker grandpa. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, I like the way he rides. Very smooth, calm, relaxed. I try my best to you know, learn as much as I can, because the thing is, once you put this bike on AMO, it just becomes a different animal, and we gotta be careful. I almost lost control. This was a couple minutes ago before I started vlogging, because I was trying to get familiar with this canyon. But it seems like a lot of bikers come here, so hopefully I'll try to come here more often, but it's a little bit far for me. I really like the Glendora Mountain Road. The reason why, what is this guy doing? I really like the Glendora Mountain Road, because in Glendora Mountain Road it's really twisty, and I'm trying to hopefully go to the track one day, and it really teaches you, prepares you to lean, go left right. It's really nice. That's like a real twisty, where the Glendora Mountain is really twisty, because it really teaches you how to learn, how to ride a sports motorcycle, in other words. I mean, this is fun too, I'm not gonna lie, but today there's a lot of people have came here today. It's it's pretty crowded, I'm not gonna lie, but you know, can't complain. Gotta be thankful, gotta ride and enjoy this beautiful California weather. My goal is to go to Malibu. Malibu is another canyon. The Malibu Canyon is in LA. Maybe I'll go one day, but for now, these canyons will do. I'm kind of going third and fourth gear, not on the fifth gear, because I'm trying to control the speed. I'm trying to like watch out, because there's another YouTuber that I watch. His name is Max Wrist. He is a really good rider. He knows what he's doing, but he drives really fast, and it's like fascinating how good he is. And he was riding with in his recent vlog, he was riding with a couple of the riders, and he was riding with the R6 guy, and he fell. He hit his brakes, and he was going too fast. It was on this canyon too. So that's why it's so important to downshift, pay attention on your speed, because if you're going too fast and you hit your brakes, you're gonna fall, you're gonna flip over. So if those of you guys are interested in checking him out, you can Google him. He's a very famous vlogger. You will see his ride away. He drives like I believe it's the 2020 BMW 1000RR. He's really funny too. I watch him here and there, try to learn. There's a BMW guy behind me, but what can you do? I'm new. I'm gonna try my best. He can pass me if he wants to. Yeah, so I'm not gonna try to make this vlog so long. I appreciate all of you guys watching, liking, subscribing, and just hanging out with me while we take this riding journey to another level. What I will do is I might like vlog again tomorrow and post another video for you guys. That'll be next, and I'll try to see if I can mix it up a little bit. But other than that, keep riding, stay safe, enjoy the ride. It's all about the journey, because to become a master you need to be a student first. I highly I highly recommend that. I suggest that, and I always tell people, you can't become a master. You can't become a master of your craft if you don't know how to be a student first. You need to be a student first. You need to learn as much as you can, and then you'll be unstoppable. But I'll let you guys go. Thank you again for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment below, and I'll catch you guys on the next vlog. Peace.